A United Nations court will allow a genocide case against Israel to proceed over the country's war in Gaza. Plus, deepfake nudes of Taylor Swift are prompting action from lawmakers and tech companies. Mass layoffs across multiple industries are going viral with the "watch me lose my job" trend on social media. And a breakthrough in gene therapy has cured deafness for the first time. The United Nations International Court of Justice is refusing to drop South Africa's case against Israel, accusing the country of committing genocide against Palestinian civilians in Gaza in Israel's war on Hamas. Proceedings in the case could take years. Until then, the ICJ is ordering Israel to increase efforts to protect Palestinians and provide humanitarian aid to Gaza. But the court did not call for a ceasefire. Israel denies the allegations of genocide, but the court's decision means genocide claims are plausible. The ruling is legally binding under the 1948 Genocide Convention. If Israel doesn't comply, there won't really be any consequences because enforcement with the UN is political. The daily death rate in Gaza is higher than any recent major armed conflict, including Syria, Sudan, Iraq, Ukraine, Afghanistan, and Yemen. So this is a massive situation. Geopolitical tensions are incredibly high in the region, and one misstep could launch World War III. So the international community is paying attention.
So what are your thoughts about all that?
It's really interesting to see how much public sentiment about this conflict has changed over the past couple years. A few years ago, if you mentioned the words genocide or apartheid regarding Israelis' treatment of Palestinians, you'd be labeled an anti-Semite. But today, the conversation is more nuanced. Maybe not so much here in the US, but in the rest of the globe. Of course, anti-Semitism is a real problem, no doubt. Nobody's denying that. But as a global community, we really need to ensure that we don't conflate true anti-Semitism with legitimate protest of the policies and actions of the Israeli government and military. If you like this episode, be sure to subscribe for more stories like this. Thanks for watching. I'm Brigida.